This is Charlie Stocker with HeyGardenGuy.com, our website, or you can go to our Facebook page, Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker, or the YouTube, which is by the same name. And what we do here is answer questions from our television show, from our website, and questions that you can go and submit, and then we will in turn answer. We answer them every day. There's probably maybe a 3-hour wait before we're able to get to your question, but we sometimes have to research them, and we will answer them correctly. So we have a question from Mark here this morning, and he wants to know, he's had some forsythias in the past. This is a forsythia. It's called Show Off. It's absolutely in beautiful bloom right now, but his question is, I've had forsythia and sometimes they bloom and sometimes they don't. What's the deal and what can I do? Well, really, I have to say that everything relates back to trimming. And what I mean by that is, if you trim at the wrong time, you can take the blooms off of the plant for the following year. Now, here's a tried and true method that you don't even have to know what type of plant it is. All you have to know is, when does it bloom? You don't have to know it's a mock orange. You don't have to know it's a lilac, a deutzia, a forsythia, an azalea, whatever. Here's the rule of thumb that you can go by and take it to the bank. If it blooms before May 30th and you feel like it needs to be trimmed, trim it after it blooms and before May 30th. If, on the other hand, it blooms in the summertime, for instance, a butterfly bush or a crepe myrtle, or some of the hydrangeas, your summer hydrangeas, bloom in the summertime, trim it in November. You don't have to know what it is, but that's when you trim. So if it blooms before May 30th, trim it before May 30th if it needs to be trimmed rather. If it blooms in the summertime, trim it in November, and you will never lose the blooms that you so much enjoy from that particular plant. This is Charlie Stocker, Hey Garden Guy, raising your garden IQ one question at a time.